everyone. This is Jacqueline as your reporter. Our topic for today is about developing mathematical skills with ambiguity, making connections, and applying appropriate concepts to real-world problems. First, we have develop with ambiguity. This means being able to figure out math problems even if the information is unclear or not complete. It's about using your brain to understand the problem, make guesses, and find solutions even when things aren't clear. We have the second, made connections. Making connections in math is like linking different ideas together to solve problems better. It's about seeing patterns, using what you already know, and using different parts of math to help each other out. Third, selected and applied appropriate mathematics concepts and skills. This is about picking the right math ideas and tricks to solve specific problems. It's like knowing which tools to use for different jobs and using them in the right way. Fourth, identified assumptions. Finding assumptions means looking for the things you think are true in a math problem. It's about asking questions, thinking about what might not be certain, and making sure you're clear on what you are assuming. We have the fifth one, reflected on solutions to real-world problems. Reflecting on solutions means thinking about whether your answers make sense in real life. It's about checking if your math answers match up with what happens in the real world, thinking about other ways to solve problems, and understanding what your solutions mean. And lastly, made informed decisions based on given or collected data. This is about using data like numbers or informations to make smart choices. It's about collecting the right data, looking at it carefully, figuring out what it means, and using it to make good decisions. Now, let's explore some scenarios and examples where you can actually apply the mathematical skills mentioned earlier. For the first scenario, Anna has 3 apples, but it's not clear how many she needs for the apple pie recipe. So Anna made guesses and tried different amounts until it tastes right. For the second scenario, Bruce learned about fraction in math class and realized he can actually use the same idea to divide a pizza into equal slices when sharing with friends. We have the third scenario. Bridget used subtraction to figure out how much money does she have left after buying a bag that cost 259 pesos with her 500 pesos worth of allowance. For the next scenario, Amy assumed that a recipe makes 12 cupcakes, but she's not sure if it's enough for everyone. So she decided to double the recipe just in case. Another scenario, you solve a math problem about buying groceries and budgeting. Then think about if your answer makes sense based on how much food you usually buy. For the last scenario, Thea looked at the news showing the temperatures for the week and decide to wear a sleeveless dress today because it's going to be hotter than usual.